السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا محمد سيد الأولين والآخرين. مدد يا رسول الله، مدد يا سادة أصحاب رسول الله، مدد يا مشايخنا دستور مولانا شيخ عبد الله فاز دعسان شيخ محمد ناظر حكام المدد. طريقتنا الصحبة والخير في الجميع. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he showing us the whole good way what we must do in our life when we are in trouble, or when, especially for if we get sick or ill. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he saying, "Da'u mardakum bis-sadaqat." Best treatment for your ill people, sadaqah, to give charity. When you give charity, Allah, before going to doctor, it will be most of this illness going away. When you go to doctor, you said you have a little bit something, you inshallah. But if you not give, it will be, you go pay for doctor thousands, but no benefit. You get more ill and more illness. For this, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he's showing us every good thing to cure from illness, to be happy, even as for everybody can give charity for sake of Allah when he is ill. Even for non-believer, if they give sadaqah, for them also they will be shifa, and inshallah make hidayah for them also to come to hidayah. Al-Fatiha.